Hello everyone, my name is Ilir. I'm the owner of Freedom Tech, the repair shop in Holland, Michigan. Today I'm going to talk to you about an issue with a Vizio D58U-D3 series. If you noted the TV, after you turn it on, the screen got blue. Basically you are not looking at the full view or brightness. It's literally a blue color. This is what the case is. So if you can see, the lights are blue. This is because of the LED backlight. They're lose power and deficiency to display in a full. So that means they're turned to blue because there is particulars in the LEDs that are burned out, or they're eventually going to burn out, but this is just a deficiency of the power. In this case, do not throw your TV away. Just seek a repair shop. A backlight repair, probably a couple $100 in this case. Don't do it yourself. I'll highly recommend don't do it yourself. This is quite a bit of a task to take, and if you do take your task to do it and you don't do it right, you might end up damaging the TV, breaking the LCD. But getting also you need to get the right LED backlights in order to replace. Not every kind of LED it would fit, but this is simply just to give you an idea what the problem is if your TV is blue. This could apply to most TVs, especially the TVs that displays that color. But if you do have that trouble, just backlight replacement will take care, and you would have back a TV working. If you have any other question, you can text me. Other than that, subscribe onto my channel under Freedom Tech. I put videos time to time for instruction. This is not for purpose of any other purpose than sell. Is just simply to give you an idea so that you know when you go back to a repair shop, you know what the cost would be and what the defects are. If you have any other question, leave thumbs up if this video helps you. Other than that, I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.